Welcome back to Limoneira. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this really simple homemade disinfectant solution made with rubbing alcohol. So this solution can help disinfect and kill bacteria and viruses. You will need orange peels from Limoneira oranges, rubbing alcohol with at least 70% alcohol, Castile soap, and essential oils. I'm using frankincense. Find a small glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and add the orange peels. Fill to the top with rubbing alcohol. Add lid and let sit for 2 weeks. Strain the orange-infused alcohol and add 2/3 cup to a spray bottle with 1/3 cup filtered water. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of unscented Castile soap and 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. Add on a lid and shake together. Use on floors, doorknobs, the bathroom, or in the kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel, follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store.